Ever wonder why the rich keep getting richer while others struggle to get ahead? It's not just luck, it's a strategy. Here are 4 reasons why the rich keep getting richer. 1. They don't just work for money, they make money work for them. Most people trade time for money, work a job, get paid. But the rich? They use money to make more money through investments, businesses, and assets that grow even while they sleep. 2. They buy assets, not liabilities. A car? A new phone? These lose value over time, but stocks, real estate, and businesses? These grow in value and bring in income. That's the difference between looking rich and being rich. 3. They leverage debt the smart way. Bad debt? That's spending on things you can't afford. But good debt? That's borrowing to buy income-generating assets, like real estate or a business. The rich use debt to grow wealth. 4. They know one secret. Inflation is a wealth transfer. As prices go up, money sitting in a bank loses value. The rich know this. That's why they put their money in assets that rise with inflation. While most people's money loses power, theirs grows. Learn the rules, play the game. The system isn't broken. It's just designed for those who understand it. Learn how money works and you'll never feel stuck again. The rich don't work harder. They work smarter.